Physical assets inspection is critical to your everyday operations. Whether you need better business insights to reduce operational costs or to comply with industry regulations, inspecting your assets consumes time, money, and risks employee lives. Enterprises are already adopting new technologies to digitize their assets. Do you want to be part of this revolution? Introducing vHive. vHive enables you to digitize the field assets using autonomous drone hives, taking you from painstaking manual labor to an autonomous, effortless experience in no time. Leveraging mission dynamics, AI, and multi-agent data collection algorithms, vHive enables non-expert users to perform scalable surveys in just a few clicks. Easily plan your survey using AI-based contextual awareness. Execute autonomous surveys using off-the-shelf drones with a click of a button. Analyze a broad range of 2D and 3D models and generate actionable business and operational insights. Collaborate and share results within your organization, inspecting 40% more assets and saving over 60% in related office and field costs and time. Unprecedented data and insights secure lost revenue and generate new revenue opportunities. Over the past years, we have conducted over 100,000 drone flights to digitize operational workflows, taking productivity, employee safety, and compliance sky high with zero integration pains. Transforming off-the-shelf drones into supercharged autonomous aerial inspection machines. vHive takes your field operations to new heights with smarter, safer, faster enterprise drone hive software.